Yo, Bite Blitz fam, buckle up because we're warping into the final frontier, space. Remember the moon landing? Yeah, that mind-blowing moment when humans bounced on the lunar surface. Well, guess what? We're about to do it again. Artemis 3 is aiming for a late 2025 touchdown, and it's got the whole galaxy buzzing with excitement. But it's not just NASA making waves. Private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pushing the boundaries with reusable rockets and even tourism flights. Can you imagine floating weightless above Earth, gazing at our incredible planet like a giant blue marble? Science on the go. Learning about the universe. Studying different environments helps scientists understand how planets form, how atmospheres work, and even how our solar system came to be. It's like cracking open a history book written in rocks and dust. Understanding Earth better. By comparing Earth to other planets, we can learn how our own planet has changed over time, what makes it unique, and even what could happen to it in the future. It's like looking at a family photo album to understand your own story better. The search for life. While finding proof of life on Mars or elsewhere would be mind-blowing, even the search itself is exciting. Scientists are developing amazing tools and techniques to look for signs of life, even if it's just tiny microbes. It's like solving a giant cosmic puzzle. And hey, even if we don't find alien microbes chilling on Mars yet, the journey there is still super fun. Imagine designing robots that explore craters, setting up experiments in dust, or sending messages across millions of miles. It's like being a scientist and an adventurer all at once. So while space exploration might seem far away, it's actually all about uncovering cool secrets, understanding our place in the universe, and maybe even finding some awesome cosmic friends along the way. Now that's something to get excited about. Tech that rocks. Imagine pushing the boundaries of science and technology, then seeing those inventions improve life back on Earth. That's exactly what happens with space exploration. The incredible feats achieved beyond our planet fuel innovations that benefit us right here in areas like navigating like a pro. Remember maps and compasses? Now we have GPS on our phones, thanks to satellites launched for space missions. They keep track of our location with pinpoint accuracy, whether you're hiking a trail or finding the perfect pizza place. Weather wizardry. Ever wonder how weather forecasts are so precise? Those swirling satellites in space keep a constant eye on Earth's atmosphere, monitoring clouds, winds, and temperature changes. So next time you plan a picnic, thank those space weather detectives for keeping you dry. Health heroes. Did you know some medical tools used in surgery today were originally developed for astronauts? Space travel puts a lot of stress on the body, so engineers had to create ingenious ways to monitor and protect them. Now those same tools are helping doctors perform delicate procedures and save lives here on Earth. It's not just about gadgets though. Space missions pushed the boundaries of science and engineering, teaching us new ways to solve problems and make things more efficient. This knowledge then ripples through other fields, from communication to environmental protection. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, those twinkling lights might be holding the key to a brighter future right here on Earth. Exploring space isn't just about adventure, it's about innovation and improving life for everyone. And that's pretty awesome, inspiring the next generation. When astronauts take a giant leap on the moon, or a rover sends back amazing pictures from Mars, it's like opening a door to a whole new world. Suddenly, the universe doesn't feel so big and scary, but like a place full of possibilities and adventures. Those possibilities inspire young people to dream big. Maybe they picture themselves as the next Neil Armstrong, planting their own flag on the lunar surface. Or maybe they imagine exploring the red sands of Mars and discovering something incredible. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe those kids who are dreaming under the stars today will be the ones making headlines tomorrow, pushing the boundaries of space exploration even further. Whether they actually become astronauts or not, The important thing is that space exploration ignites curiosity and encourages them to reach for their goals. It shows them that anything is possible if they set their minds to it and work hard. So, Blitz fam, what's your favorite part of space exploration? Are you hyped for Artemis 3? Do you dream of flying with Musk or Bezos? Drop your cosmic predictions in the comments and let's blast off into a space-tastic discussion. Remember, the only limit is your imagination.